In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on Alibaba. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll see and the security checks along the way so you can switch to a new contact and login address with confidence. Start by opening Alibaba in your browser and signing in to your account. Head to your account settings page. If you're already on any Alibaba page, look to the top right corner where your profile picture or initial appears. Click that profile icon to open the menu, then choose Account. This takes you to your account area where your basic information is listed. On this page, you'll see your current email displayed under your name. That's the email used for notifications and sign-in. To change it, click the small pencil or edit icon next to the email. As soon as you do, Alibaba will begin an identity check. This is normal and helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. You'll be asked to verify it's really you, typically by receiving a one-time verification code at your current email. Keep that tab open and go to your email inbox in a new tab or window. Look for the message from Alibaba containing the verification code. If it's not in your inbox after a minute, check your spam or promotions folder and make sure your email can receive messages from Alibaba. Copy or note the code exactly as it appears. Return to the Alibaba verification screen and enter the code in the field provided, then submit. Once verified, you'll land on the page where you can update your email address. Type the new email you want to use, double check for typos, and make sure it's an address you can access right away. When you're ready, click Continue to save the change. If you see any on-screen prompts to confirm, just follow them to complete the update. A few quick tips to keep things smooth: stay signed in during the process, don't close your original tab while fetching the code, and consider keeping your old email accessible until everything is confirmed. Also, after updating, watch your new inbox for any confirmation or welcome message related to the change, as providers sometimes require an extra click to finalize. If something looks slightly different on your screen, it's likely due to a recent interface update, but the flow should be the same. That's it. Your Alibaba email is now updated. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need to follow along again.